Hello everyone, welcome to Cloud Institution. So Cloud Institution is the best training institution for cloud. So now today in this video we're going to see another interesting video on the interesting topic on the Terraform series. So that the topic for today is the Terraform state pull. Okay, so what is this Terraform state pull command is used for? Okay, so for example, if you're using Terraform state, this if you have a remote Terraform state, okay, if you want to see the output of the Terraform state, Terraform state file, so without being going to the Terraform, so going to the storage accounts or the storage accounts or S3 bucket, so we can use the Terraform state pull command. Okay, so the what is Terraform state pull command? So Terraform state pull command, so downloads and outputs the state information from the remote state or local state. Okay, so for example, if you have a remote state file, so if you want to see the complete list of Terraform state, from the remote, whatever it has been showing, it's been available, then you can use the command called Terraform state pull command. Okay, so let's see this, this one in live action. Okay, now as you can see here, I have a backend of S3. Okay, and I have a cloud institution bucket. Okay, so now the key and Terraform state. Okay, so and the so like I have one bucket in my S3. Okay, let me go to S3 bucket. All right, so this is my bucket name. Okay, so this is my I have already so it has already been created with the Terraform TF state file. Okay, now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to see the Terraform TF state list. Okay, I just wanted to see that is there any state is there or not. Okay, so Terraform uh, uh, state list. If you can give Terraform state list, what's going to be happening is that okay, there is nothing is here. Okay, which means that Terraform state will be empty mostly, right? So let's create some resources here. Okay, so it's going to be sorry. So it's going to be sorry. I think it's already been opened with this one. So now what are we going to do is that so we're going to see the Terraform state. The Terraform plan I'm going to give Terraform plan. Okay, sorry. Terraform plan. So the basic Terraform plan will be creating a 4 users. Okay, so as I am user, I'm going to show you how it's going to be creating. Okay, the 4 IAM user is going to be creating. Okay, so now I'm going to do Terraform apply. Okay, so Terraform apply, if I can give, so it's going is it goes and create the Terraform configurations. Okay, now all the users are created. Now we can go back and see the S3 buckets. Sorry, IAM users, and you must be seeing 3 users has been created now. Okay, 4 users has been created. Okay, so now 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 users are created now. All right. Now I want to see if you see Terraform state list. If you can see um, state list, if you can see, you must be seeing the Terraform state of 4 resources. All right. So this has been created previously when we have seen, so this is empty, right? Now, what are we going to do is that I want to see the Terraform state list. There are 2 ways to see. Okay, so one is you can go to the S3 bucket. You can go to the S3 bucket. You can click on this one. Okay, you can click on download. Okay, now it'll be you can see this state like this. Okay, this is how the state will be downloaded, and you should be able to see this is what the state file looks like. All right. Now, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to I don't want to I don't let's say for example I don't have access to UI. Okay, but I want to see the output of the state file from my terminal itself. So how it's possible? So that is the reason why we'll be using the command called Terraform state pull. Terraform Terraform state pull command. Okay, so what happens if you have a Terraform state pull command? So it will be showing you the output like this. Okay, so if you want to have a reference of the states, if you wanted to keep it in local, you can keep it. Okay, now what you can do, you can just take a backup of this one. Okay, so Terraform dot tf state. Okay, so hyphen backup. Okay, now if you can see like this, do like this, what happens is that so all the Terraform state file from the remote repositories, from the remote, the S3 bucket, will be stored in your local over here. As you can see here, okay, so it's got created. This Terraform backup is got created, and you can see all these configurations are intact over here. Okay, so this is the way you can go and pull the Terraform state using the Terraform pull command, state pull command. Okay, so this one really will be really helpful, if you're using, if you're using very complex of a complex infrastructure where you wanted to refer many of the things. So how the Terraform, the configuration been updated, then this particular, command will be really useful for you. All right, okay. So that's it about this video, guys, and hope you like this video. Okay, so these are the concepts will be really helpful for you to prepare for interviews. And as well as, if you go for interviews, and also if you go for examinations on Terraform, if you're writing global examinations, and these kind of questions will be really helpful for you. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video, guys. So if you like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Please stay tuned for the rest of the videos. Okay, we'll be keep on uploading a lot of videos in the future. Okay, thank you.